This is an introduction to Google Cloud Shell. I will start it by clicking on the relevant link. Here we see it getting set up. It's pretty quick. A little slower the first time you do it. At the bottom is a terminal window where I can type. In the middle here is some information about the boot and various problems it might be having. Configuration, we can close that, we're not interested. We can change the relative size of the terminal window compared to this area at the top. On the left is the Explorer, which shows you which files I have in my home directory. On the right is an area that will display those files. So, for example, if I click a text file, it displays. And I can edit it and save my changes. I can also display a ping image or other common kinds of images. I can display a markdown file, which is the format used for the tutorials here. In some limited ways, I can even display an HTML file. By default, this will display as the underlying code. But if you right-click it and choose Open with Preview, then it will open a view onto the report. Note, it does not handle JavaScript well, so certain kinds of fancier HTML reports aren't going to work well, but you can get some idea. You can close the terminal to give yourself a little more room. You open the terminal, and you can close the editor if you want to see more of the terminal. All right, we can upload files by dragging them onto the Explorer. It doesn't work to drag anything into the terminal or into the editor. But if I drag something from my desktop into the Explorer, it will add it. There it is, tutorial number 4. There we go, tutorial number 4. All right, what's nice about these tutorials is that you can view them with this Teach Me tool. So Teach Me, tutorial, let's go for number 1. That will display a tutorial window over here on the side. You can navigate through using the buttons at the bottom. Previous, see these steps, 1 to 19. Let's go through a little bit more. All right, so then in each of these code windows, there's an associated copy to Cloud Shell or copy to clipboard. Easiest way to run the command is to copy it to the Cloud Shell. Now it appears down here. I hit enter and I run the command. You can also copy to the clipboard, which is just a copy and paste, but then you have to go down here and paste it. I did it with Control V, and then you can see it. You can download a file by right-clicking it and choosing download. You can also upload and download files here using the upload button, choosing a file, cancel that, and the download button. Again, choosing the file but locally here and downloading it to your computer. We can stop the tutorial at any time. It will remember where I was in the tutorial. If I start up again, it offers me the opportunity to start where I left off. And that's pretty much it.